Welcome to Yoga for You, a channel tailored to helping you discover your very own unique yoga practice.
Hello, my name is Kathleen Coombs. I'm a local yoga instructor here in the San Bernardino Mountains, bringing you a meditation today for Yoga for You. Today we're going to focus on the sacral chakra. Our sacral chakra can be located right around where the hip bones are, and draw your fingers to the center of the belly, and that's where you will find this chakra. This is one of the 7 main energy centers in the body. And this chakra is associated with a time in our lives when we were young and carefree, early childhood. We associate this chakra with playfulness and with creativity and with the ability to be fluid and just go with the flow no matter what you are given. Today I'm going to invite you to focus on what it felt like to be a small child, to feel carefree, and to feel safe and loved and nurtured in all of your existence. So I invite you to find a comfortable position. You can be sitting in a chair, you can be laying down, whatever you like the best. And using your breath, I invite you to start to settle down your energy, allowing your energy to be drawn downward, releasing any tension you may be holding. Gently close your eyes and start to breathe in and out of your nose. Make your breaths slow and even. And take your time with the breath, gently drawing the breath in and gently releasing the breath out. Bring your attention down to the sacral chakra. And imagine that you have a light ball, a brightly lit ball, a circle. And with each breath in, your ball grows just a little bit. So continue to inhale and exhale, allowing this ball to grow. Imagine that this ball continues to grow so that you have created a safe space that you can step into. And inside of that space, you've created a comfortable, soft, inviting environment. It may be filled with pillows and cozy seating places. It might be filled with your favorite things. I invite you to step into that room. Find your spot, find your cozy place. In that space, you are nurtured, you are loved, and you are safe. Stay in that place as long as you need to. Continue breathing in and out knowing that your breath is the ingredient that you need to keep this space going. Use this time to connect with the child inside of you. Use this space to connect with the heart of a child, with the fresh view of a child, with the playfulness of a child, and with the innocence that you had as a child. In this place, you can be trusting. You are safe and you are loved. Stay in here a little bit longer, connecting with yourself in this space. Take a couple of more deep breaths. On your next breath, look around your space. Remember this beautiful space that you've created, using your imagination and using your breath. And remind yourself that you can come back to this space anytime you want. All you need is to make time and to connect with your breath. Look around your little space and tell yourself you will return. So now I invite you in your space to gently get up and step outside of it. Using your breath, start to shrink your circle back down. With each breath, it gets a little bit smaller. And it begins to get a little bit dimmer. And eventually, using your breath, it becomes small enough that it can go back inside of your body, back inside of that place that I described to you in your lower belly, where the sacral chakra resides. Take this moment to reflect on what this experience was like for you. And also, congratulate yourself for taking this time to create this beautiful place for yourself. I invite you now to come back into the present moment, to come back into your consciousness. And let's wrap up this meditation session by drawing our hands up on our inhale. And exhale, bring them back down. Inhale, bring your hands out and up. And exhale, bring them back down. And one more final inhale out. On your exhale, bringing your hands down in prayer pose down to the heart. Take a nice inhale. And on your exhale, bow your head. Remember, we all have an inner child that resides in us. And it's always healthy to take a moment to connect with your inner child, find that joy, find that love, and find that trust. Thank you for joining us on Yoga for You, and Namaste.